Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it once in lifetime and whitening yellow teeth naturally, get rid of teeth black, stained teeth, and whitening yellow teeth naturally without having to go to the dentist. It's super effective remedy to whitening yellow teeth at home, and all you need to do is use it once in lifetime and you will whitening your teeth without any problems. It's super effective in getting rid of any kind of stained teeth. If you drink coffee or you smoke and your teeth got stained, this magical remedy is for you. It whitening yellow teeth and will turn it to pearl white naturally, snow white teeth, and without going to the dentist, with all natural ingredients at home, and it's super effective. But before we start out my friends, it's a request: if it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 full teaspoon of starch, like so. Then we need to add a pinch of turmeric powder, and turmeric powder won't stain the teeth, guys, whitening the teeth naturally, and it gets the enamel shine like pearl. It's shining, it will make your enamel shine. So don't worry, add a pinch of turmeric powder, that much almost. Now mix well the dry ingredients. After mixing well the dry ingredients, we need our toothbrush. Get your toothpaste. Use any white toothpaste. Here I'm using Colgate toothpaste. You can use any white toothpaste. And place the toothpaste like so on the brush. Then my friends, dip in the toothbrush into the remedy, like so. And brush your teeth like you regularly brushing your teeth. This magical remedy will whitening your teeth naturally without causing any side effects to your enamel. It's super safe to use and super effective. Use the rest of the remedy every day and you will be amazed with the result. From first use, whitening the teeth naturally and will get you rid of black, any kind of teeth enamel problems, and you will be amazed with the result. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.